Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have really a great mockup tool for Figma again. So I have already featured like plenty of mockup tool previously, but today I have another great one. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have made something like this in Figma. Nowadays, I'm really obsessed with those noises, like that feel that it gives, whatever. So I have you can obviously guess which is the mockup portion. This is the mockup portion, and to be honest, this is the actual mockup that I have get. Okay, now so let me show you something that you would preferably follow, because this mockup tool isn't exactly perfect. So I would suggest you like follow my way of doing it. So what I have done, like as you can see, I have created a frame here, like frame here of this picture, not a picture, as you, if you know me, like if you watch my videos regularly, so you know I have created this in my previous videos. So whatever, so I have taken the same thing, and okay, let's try creating another frame with iPhone X. Okay, so phone, from phone, okay, iPhone, not iPhone X, let's do it. So we'll take this, Control C, paste it here, Control V, and reduce the size of it, make sure it's covering the whole thing. Okay, then click on it. Okay, and then fire up your plugin. So today I am using all hands mockups generator. You can go to Figma community and find it out, and as you can see, it have already selected the frame that I want to use here. So I will proceed further, and I will choose any of the hand position. Currently they have very minimal library available, but I think in future they will increase it, obviously. So let's choose one of the hands. So let's choose it and click on create mockup. So it will generate the mockup, and we'll paste the picture or the frame in the canvas itself. So here we have our mockup. Now here you can see it's uh, properly placed, right? Properly placed, and it is like properly what it is properly not just placed but diagonally placed also. As you can see, there is a slight angle in the photo, and they have placed it correctly. So doing it in this way is good, but you have to guess the frame size every time. Like this time I have used iPhone 13x and it worked, but when I use this frame, that is 1920 by 1080 frame, it didn't work actually. So I have at first tried 1920 by 1080 and put that frame into it, but it didn't work well because it's obviously not in that ratio. So what I have done, I have selected the frame, copied it, and put it in it. So that's another way you can do it, as you can see it here, right? So this is another way you can do it if it's a flat frame like this. But if it's a diagonal frame like this, you can't really do that. So that's something you should keep in mind. So basically that's it for this video. And create great mockups with hands like this. Obviously the plugin link will be in the description below. You can download it from there, not download, install in your Figma from there. And that's it about this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. Please, really please, I'm so close to 100 subscriber now. Please do subscribe. And if you know about some of the great apps, plugins, tools, website, open source, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.